Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will discuss whether anyone who invested 10,000 INR in Kotak Mahindra Bank in 2000 turns into 19.77 crores today. In 1985, Uday Kotak founded Kotak Capital Management Finance Limited as the finance service company, with the loan of 30 lakh from family and friends. In February 2003, the Kotak Mahindra Bank received the banking license from the Reserve Bank of India, became the India's first non-banking finance company to be converted into bank. And these are the Kotak Mahindra businesses. Kotak Mahindra Bank, Kotak Securities, Kotak Mahindra General Insurance, Kotak Mahindra Prime Limited, Kotak International Business, Kotak Life Insurance Company, etc. Kotak Bank 10,000 INR investment growth. In 2001, if you invest 10,000 INR, you will get 5,263 shares. That time the share was trading 1.89, so I will take approximately 1.9. The face value is 10. In 2004, Kotak Bank give 1:1 bonus ratio. Total number of shares you will get 10,526 shares. Then face value remains 10. In 2005, Kotak Bank give 3:2 bonus ratio. For every 2 shares you hold, you will get 3 shares. Total number of shares you will get 26,315 shares. The face value remains 10. In 2010, Kotak Bank split the shares 1:2 split ratio. So you will get 52,630 shares. The face value now comes to 10:5. In 2015, Kotak Bank give 1:1 bonus ratio. The total number of shares you will get 1,05,260 shares. The face value remains 5. So total number of shares you hold is 1,05,260 shares. The current trading price at the time of recording the video, the share was trading 1,878.70 paise. So as of today, the current market price is 19 crores 77 lakh 51,962 INR. Kotak Bank dividends 1,05,260 shares into 2 INR. So that is the dividend last year the Kotak Bank was given. So total amount is 2,10,520 INR. Can I get the return like this? If you invest today in Kotak Mahindra Bank shares, you will not get return like this. Kotak Bank grew as a large cap company, but you have to find the future company like this. In the last year, Kotak Mahindra Bank given the return of 3.06%. With the previous 5 years, the absolute return of Kotak Mahindra Bank is 13.55%, and the average return for the last 5 years is 2.71% only. Keynotes. Earlier, the few companies have given return like this. Infosys, Reliance, and Titan were the few multi-baggers. If you want the same kind of return, do some research, invest into 20 to 25 stocks. Invest in the early stage and hold it for next 20 years. If any fundamental issue with that stock, sell immediately. And hold other stocks will give you the more possible to get the return like this. And that is about the video, friends. Press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and follow me for more financial videos.